Hey, what's going on? Garrett here. Inside this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and reveal a secret method to make $467 or more every single day in as little as 10 minutes. Now, what we'll learn inside this video are these simple steps. Number one, how to find a product to promote as an affiliate. If you want to make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars a day online, the fastest way to do it is to just promote a product that you don't have to create, and then find other people that are interested in that product. And when you refer those people to that product and they buy through your customized link, you will actually get credit and money as an affiliate. And I'm going to share with you how to find good products that you can actually start promoting and start to earn money very, very easily and quickly. Step two is we're going to use a secret free tool to find people ready to buy. Okay, you don't want to try to market to your friends and family and try to just promote the product to everyone. You're going to waste a lot of time, a lot of effort. I'm going to share with you a free tool that's totally secret. Most people don't even know this exists. And you can find people that are literally looking to buy. And when you get in front of those people and you recommend them your product, you're going to make sales like hotcakes over and over again. And then step three is I'm going to share with you how to share the product with those people. And then I'm going to also, towards the very end of the video, share how to make hundreds of dollars very, very easily. So how to scale this to the moon so you can duplicate this 4-step simple formula and start to make more and more money. So if you're excited to learn this and you want me to make more step-by-step videos just like this, be sure to click the like button right now, because that's what I use to know if you are actually liking these type of videos where I share very simple strategies to make, thousands of dollars a week. Be sure to like the video. Now, also, again, be sure to stay to the end of the video, because you're going to also access a private free training to make as much as $2,000 per sale on total autopilot, okay, without even lifting a finger. And you don't want to miss this.
But before that, if you want to learn online money-making methods, affiliate marketing, or how to create passive income, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified of my latest video. Last, if you want to discover my #1 recommended way to make money online, click the first link in the description to check it out. Without further ado, let's begin today's video.
Step number one is we need to find a high converting product to actually promote. Now, what is a high converting product? Well, a high converting product basically means when you send people to your affiliate link, which is just the link that affiliate sites will give you when you want to promote their product. This is how they know if someone buys through that website or sales page, you get credit and you get the money. We want to find a high converting product, which basically means a high percentage of people who see that sales page are wanting to buy and do actually buy. So I'm going to share with you in a second some simple strategies that you can actually, one, find a product, and then two, make sure that it's actually selling well. Okay, now there's a lot of places you can find affiliate products to promote online, but the place I want to cover inside of this video is called clickbank.com. Now, Clickbank is free to create an account, and all you have to do is go to clickbank.com, go up to the top and hit sign up. Now, once you're there, you get taken to a page that looks like this, and you can go ahead and create a free account. Okay, fill out your country, your name, etc., password, and then continue to terms and conditions. Now, once you create an account, which takes just minutes, you're going to get taken to the back office of your Clickbank account, and you want to go up and click Marketplace. Now, Marketplace will take you to a page that looks something like this. This is where we can find tons of categories of products to promote. Now, it really doesn't matter, and this specific method will work for any category, but the main ones you pretty much want to focus on if you want to find a lot of different products to actually start recommending to people is e-business, e-marketing, health and fitness, and self-help, okay? These are the main ones that I would personally start with. Now, let's say health and fitness, for example. You would click there, and that's going to take you to a drop-down of tons of different products. So this is a product, this is a product. Now, these are different products. Now, what we want to do is sort results by gravity, because what this is basically Clickbank has an algorithm on how many affiliates in the past week or so have also made a sale with that specific product. So by sorting results by gravity and from high to low, we're gonna find the best selling products are at the top. So these are the highest converting. So we know if we promote products like this, we have a very good chance of also making sales. You can see right here, the gravity was 804. So that means on average, about 804 people actually made a sale promoting this. Now, if you want to check out the product, you can just open it in a new tab and look at it here. Okay, and you can kind of see what it's about. Now, we just want to find one that we resonate that also has a good dollar per sale. I recommend anywhere from $25 all the way up to about $100, okay? Because this method is going to be more of an impulse buy rather than a long-term sales process, okay? So go ahead and just find one that you resonate with and that has a good average dollar per sale. Okay, so I found this right here, okay? The custom keto diet. I opened it up. Okay, the sales page looks pretty good. It's about losing weight. And I would personally think about promoting this. It's $44, which is good. And the gravity is 381, which is a very high gravity. Now, whenever you choose a product on Clickbank to promote, to get your affiliate link, which is gonna be used in a step in a second I'm gonna share, so keep watching, we're gonna hit promote, generate hop links, and this right here is your, okay, affiliate link. So we wanna copy this to a notepad to keep it handy. Now, step 2 is we're gonna use a secret tool to find people ready to buy. Now, this is a free tool, and I'm gonna share with you in a second how to actually get inside of this online tool, play around with it, and do certain specific simple steps to locate people that are most likely to buy. And I mean buy quickly, not in a week, not in a month, but today. And then what we can do is actually present them with our product. That's the third step, as I'll share in a second. But right now, what I want to do is hop inside of this free secret tool, share with you how to actually use it so you can start to make money as fast as possible. Okay, now I'm on twitter.com right now. Now you may think, Twitter, why is he on Twitter? Well, this secret free tool has to do with making sales on Twitter. A lot of people don't realize that you could be missing out on thousands of dollars a month that you're not making because you're not aware of the power of Twitter. This method is gonna be great because it's very easy and anyone can use it, and you don't need any followers to actually do this method. So the free tool is called TweetDeck. Now, if you head to tweetdeck.twitter.com, and I'll include a link in the description, you're gonna get taken to a page like this. Now, you would connect your Twitter account to this actual free tool. But how does it work? Well, what you want to realize is that if you go to add column, you can add a column with all these different types of activities on Twitter. Okay, you can look at different users, notifications, what's trending, but we want to click search. Okay, now what we want to do once we did that is we want to think about what product we're promoting, and we want to think about what problem that product is solving, because every product that you want to promote and make money with online is solving someone's problem. So we want to think about the product. Now, the product that I chose helps people lose weight. So what phrase would someone be expressing if they wanted to lose weight? Well, I want to lose weight, right? That could be a phrase that someone would be saying if they wanted to lose weight, right? So what we want to do is type in this search bar, okay, right up here at the top. We want to type in parentheses, I want to lose weight, and then close parentheses. Okay, so it's a parentheses, the phrase that you think a person interested in your product would be saying, and then close parentheses, and then just hit this magnifying glass. Now, what's gonna happen is, and this is so incredibly powerful, I can't even believe I'm sharing this, and again, like this video and comment yes if this is really valuable for you, because what we just did was we found people as early as 10 minutes ago that have said this phrase. Okay, you can see right here, this person right here, Deep Value Observer, they said, I have noticed that when I eat like a, you know, or live tweet a Truly's vendor, as long as I say in the window, I do not gain weight, but I want to lose weight, so I restrict my food groups. I want to lose weight. They just said they want to lose weight, and we have a product that helps them. Are you seeing how powerful this is? This is 10 minutes ago. This isn't, they said it, you know, a month ago. This is right now in this moment, they want to lose weight, and we have a product that will help them do that. And we earn money when we recommend them. I want to lose weight already. I want to lose weight, but struggle with it. Help. David, This guy right here, okay? I mean, again, like this video if you're seeing how valuable this is. I'm almost like blown away, and I've done this method so many times, but it just shocks me how easy this is. David, I want to lose weight but struggle. Help. This guy is literally asking for help. So don't you think if we could reach out to this person and say, hey, I see you're struggling to lose weight. I know a solution that's working for people. And how do we know it's working? Well, the product is selling well, right? The product has testimonials on that sales page. So we know it's selling well. So we could say, hey, look, I know you're struggling. I have a solution. And that's actually going to be the next step. In a second, I'll share with you a copy paste message you can send out to these people to start to get them eager to check out your affiliate link and ultimately buy to make you money. Now, step number 3 is once we've located people that have basically said a phrase implying that they're in need of our product, what we want to do is direct message them a certain message about the product. So we don't want to just spam our affiliate links everywhere because that's not welcome. Okay, we want the person actually agreeing to check out more information. So how do we do this? Well, what you want to do is click, and I'll share in a second how to do it, but click on a certain icon to actually direct message them privately. And we want to say something like this, and you can go ahead and copy this and paste it, to many different people. But you want to say something like, hey, I saw you mention that you want to, and then you're going to insert the result that they said. So maybe it's how to lose weight, or, I saw that you want to gain more muscle, make more money, whatever result that they're actually saying. I actually came across a solution that has really blown me away to achieve that pretty fast. Not sure if interested, but I could share some info, ... Okay, now what that's gonna do is basically get them interested and learning more information about the product that you're actually sharing. So we will only want to share this information with people that have said yes. So once you find a person that's expressed a need that your product solves, you want to click their username here, and it's going to pop up there. Then we want to click these 3 little dots, okay, and go send a direct message. And that's going to open up that person, okay? And then in the message, we want to basically paste the message that I shared with you, okay? So you can go ahead and paste that there. Hey, I saw you mentioned that you, okay, and it's right here. You can just use their words, right? That you want to lose weight, but don't know a good diet, right? Using their words. That's a secret, powerful psychological trick. If you can use people's own words, they will be much more likely to buy. And then I would literally just send message. And then they will see that, and a good portion are gonna reply back. Now, as you start to paste that message into people's private messages in Twitter who have expressed a need that our product solves, the next thing we wanna do is look for people that say yes, okay? They say, yeah, I'd be open to looking at information. If they say that they want information, then we wanna send our affiliate link, okay? The link that we actually saved earlier on the affiliate site that we found the product. Okay, and once they reply yes, that they want to see more information, you simply say something like, yes, no problem, just go ahead and check out this site here, and then you would put your affiliate link and then send that, okay? And then we would have eager, targeted people that are red hot and ready, checking out our high converting sales page and starting to make money. Step number 5 is you can do this over and over with more products, okay? There's endless phrases that you can find people, looking for constantly. That TweetDeck is updating people that have just said that, so you can easily find them in real time. And you can just do this over and over and over again. I know some people that just mainly use this as their main strategy to make money. They find people in need that want to make money or lose weight or gain muscle, and they message those people and they make affiliate sales over and over and over again. So there we have it, my friend. I really hope you got a tremendous amount of value in this step-by-step video. If you did, be sure to click the like button below. Again, that's the only way I know to make more videos like this. So be sure to click the like button to let me know if you liked it. Also, comment below, what topic or product do you think you're gonna start promoting first? Or have you already tried this method? Comment below what you thought. I'd love to take a look at that comment. Also subscribe. Again, if you have not subscribed, I'm going to be posting weekly videos just like this, so you can really learn how to make money with with very little time or effort. And last but not least, if you want access to a private free training revealing how you can earn up to $2,000 instantly paid commissions. This is my #1 affiliate program to find products to promote. Go to that first link in the description and get access to it while it's still available. Anyway, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.